In the future, I want to work at a company in my hometown. I want to be an electrical analytic modern in the office. I want a big window has a desk next to the window, a bookshelf, a computer for me to work on, a printer on the desk, a chair, table, and train, and a coffee machine next to it, which a wood nineties dream. I want a salary of $500 a month. I want benefits have holiday of working is in the holiday and test person opportunity, a positive and a great working environment goals will help me nurse my roles and develop myself as an analyst.